So the next, we're done with the content research, which is what we did before we decided to do this. So now is to what in the first paragraph use the primary keyword. We're going to do this on Blogger, and I'm going to teach you how to do this. Basically, we want the primary keyword to appear in the first paragraph. This is content SEO. This is standard. The first paragraph can be we can say the first paragraph is basically the first 100 words. The first 100 words. So let's put the primary keyword in the first paragraph. This is what I let's go to what I research on. This is what I research on for my blog post. Copy. This is my blogger backend. This is the backend for you, the content writer, the content editor, whatever. So if you want to write, you click on new post. So you paste whatever you've written, whatever you've researched on here. This is what we've researched on. You paste it here. I think it was loading. So yeah, you paste them here. So how do you add the primary code for the first paragraph? You just come to the beginning and you write, um, if you are interested in learning, I think that is better. How to cook red beans with oil. Beans, let's go beans. Beans with red oil. Make sure your primary code is here. This article, this blog post or article, this article is for you. So let's search with my keyword to find out if our primary code is actually during the first paragraph. It's better the primary keyword is in the first line. I'll show you something. So these are primary keyword beans. It's better the primary keyword is in the first line. So Control F. These are my keyword. It's better than the first. Let me show you some. Let's go to Google search. So the top first, can you see? They have beans here. They have beans here in the first line. So if you, many of these people don't know how to do content SEO. If you do your content SEO where you be on the first page, like for this my content and others, how to become a transporter. And you see, become a transporter. This is my goal. So this the work collectively. I wrote this out of so they work collectively. So try to do that. So let's move on to the next.